Are you struggling to choose the right content platform? Let's break it down in 30 seconds. Frase is your go-to for an all-in-one content solution, featuring SEO research, AI writing, and multilingual support. Ideal for teams of any size, starting at just $45 per month, it offers unlimited AI words and built-in image generation. In contrast, MarketMuse targets enterprise clients, focusing on content strategy and topic modeling. Their pricing is custom, which means no clarity on costs upfront. Frase stands out with real-time monitoring and proactive alerts on content opportunities. Don't miss out on the benefits of an end-to-end platform. Ready to elevate your content game? Start your free trial with Frase today, no credit card needed.